YouTube, you know what it is. It's your girl Ayana, and we are back once again. And today, we'll be going Kmart because I have $15 and I want to buy some snacks and I want to try some weird snacks too. So I want you guys to come with me and let's enjoy this video. So let's go. We are on our way walking. I can show you we're walking. Right here we're walking. So I'll show you when I reach in Kmart because I don't want to record people's house or car. So I'll show you when I reach there, okay? You see that I look Kmart right there, but I still gotta cross the street. See, I still gotta cross the street. So yeah, the car swap there. Still gotta cross the street. And my fare is crossing the street. See? We walk across here. My sister behind me, but she walking too slow. I need to hurry up because these people don't care for nobody. Like, see Kmart right there. So, oh, you see all these stairs? Should we take the elevator? Let's get exercising. So let's go. So yeah, you see all them stairs? Next time I'm not walking, let me have an elevator. Next time I will not. So this snack stuff start as soon as I go into the aisle, okay? So you guys pay attention and watch. And sorry for the music in the background. Don't copyright me. But yeah, so in here again, so cheap and stuff. They have what I call it, Easter stuff. Easter ain't still here yet. They get Easter stuff. So look at this. Easter stuff. Easter stuff, you know. St. Patrick's Day. See? I can't think. Look, all these things for 64 cents. All these things, look. Ah, look at this. What is some weird stuff though? Now we're in the dollar aisle. I like to buy stuff for the children I walk with. They have coloring books. Well, I'm sorry for the glare. I'm trying to angle it. This is my first time working the computer. I mean, not the computer, the camera. So everything just a little blur right now until I get a hang of it. Look at all these dollar things. They get $3 thing. I can they get $3 cutting. They get matches. Look at this matches for $2.50. They got all kind of thing. All kind of thing I see. It's a lemon squeezer. Oh no. An egg white separator, which is for egg or whatever. But yeah, there's all kind of thing in here. $1.50 for cat bowl, and this one sturdy one, you know. Sorry for the noise, but this one sturdy one. Every time I go in a store, you see me doing this here. Son, don't tell me nothing, okay? Because I like to be in thing, like how people like to be in thing. I like to be in thing too. Hey. Hey, hola. Hey. I think this will look good on me. It's pretty, but I wouldn't wear it. But hold it up. Hey. Take mine. I'm still in love with you, boy. Hey, I'm still in love with you, boy. This is $5.99 now. I'm still in love. It's gonna be good at love. I'm still in love. Where do you? Where do you? Oh. Hey. 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 Bye. Let's go. So we just reached the cashier and she wanted to scan the stuff. Oh, this is too big. Sorry. So she's scanning the stuff. So
like I was saying in the last clip, I don't see why that happened inside the Kmart line. Look, I took out some more stuff, but maybe later tomorrow, I'm going to today I'll buy some more. I got some fudge stripes. These like girl scout cookies, okay? They are bad, I like them. They have different kinds, those are my favorite. So, that's that. I have some Rice Krispies, the original. They have the M&M one, I don't really like M&M, but I love M&M, I don't like M&M. You can do that. So this is that. My sister got a water, the same brand, this is hers, okay? So, she got that. I got these two Gold Peak tea, which is real brew, and the peach kind, these are the best, okay? The other ones, I guess I need sugar, this one is peach. So yeah, hold on. Then we have Pop-Tart, the cookie and cake guy, the cookie and cake guy. This kind is the best. Oh, they have a kind I like, what is it, the cinnamon. I used to put the cinnamon in the in the microwave, and it was on point, because you used to feel like it just come out of the thing, and I was like, how do people toast in them? Do you toast yours, do you eat up yours? I don't know, you tell me. I don't know. It is sweet, but I have to drink water after. I have water like that. So, put anything back inside here, as you see, and I'm going to my total, because remember I was spending only $15. Alright, so I'm going to my total. Okay, I don't cross out the lady name who cashed me, because I don't want to trouble her. So, this is the total. It was $13.84. I only had that change left back, 16 cents. So yeah. Now I can tell you how much everything is now. The bag, you can read the plastic bags, 10 cents. The cookies, I'll tell you guys about just now, was $3.49. The Pop-Tart was $2.59. The Rice Krispies was $3.79. Before they run all these things up, but anyway, change subject. And then I have the drink, and I'll tell you guys, the Gold Peak is $1.49, and it's 2 of them, so it's equal to $2.98. And the smart water my sister have was 89 cents. So that was a total of $13.84. I'm sorry for the music in the background, please don't copyright me. Because, yeah. And that's the end of this video, I just have to just taste it good. Okay, this is the end of the video. Maybe I'll do like video test tasting them and stuff like that, so it's for you on camera, so let's just stay around and let's watch like comment check.